Hello! Hello fellow humans. This is Reynaldo the Cringe Master. Today I'm going to be reviewing Pringles sour cream and onion flavor. So I'll put this here, put this here to position so you see myself eating and giving my opinions on it. Well, I'm gonna start opening the Pringles and you see this is the opening. These are the Pringles, and I'm gonna take one, like a Pringle in. Take, no. Tastes pretty good in my opinion. Maybe I should finish it, be like end eating because there's still some left. I'm just gonna keep eating, and in the end I'm eating. I'm just gonna give my review on it. Mm. Mm. Crunchy. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. This is the last one. One here. Mm. 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 Let me finish chewing because I'm gonna give my opinion on it. I gotta say, this Pringles, I gotta give them an, a 9 out of 10. They're pretty good in my opinion. Close to a 10 out of 10. But let's just give them a 9 out of 10. Because they didn't have enough in this one. I'm just gonna give them a 9 out of 10. Very crunchy, very good. That was my review on Pringles. My food review, so bye.